Hi lovelies, hope you're all doing well. Did you know that over 500 hours of videos are uploaded to YouTube every minute? That's a staggering amount of content, which means your video needs the best strategy to stand out, and at the same time it needs the best strategy to reach your targeted audience. Uploading your video is just the beginning. You guys, it's not about uploading the videos. Now I talk from experience. In this video, I'll share with you 7 essential things that you need to do or you must do after uploading, either after uploading, even after premiere, to ensure your video performs well and reaches the right viewers. Hi guys, before I go to the first essential thing, I would love to say thank you to every Immaculate Show fan, royal viewer that has been coming back to our channel. You are really wonderful. We love you so much. As you know, Immaculate Show, we aim uh, at uplifting the people out there with the smartphones, people to know that they can be in the right mode and use their smartphones, whether they have a job or without a job. So the first essential thing after uploading your video to do, a must to do, is to optimize your video, a video titles and description. You guys, your title and description are crucial for getting discovered. I've come to know this. As you can see, I'll be giving you an example of my video like this video. Recently, I really did the same thing, and this is the result that came there. Use the key searchable words that viewers are likely to type into the search bar. I always tell you what we mean by a search bar. Like if you go to the search bar, you're going maybe looking for something about money, how to make money. Of course, they will not put random words, they'll put how to make money. And the moment they put it there, your video should be in position to come. So, for example, if your video is about health meal preparations, include phrases like easy meal prep tips or meal prep for beginners. In your title and description, also add a brief overview of what your video covers and include links to related content or resources. You guys, this is very good. The second essential thing for you to do is add tags for better search visibility. I've seen most people are contemplating and are having a lot of debate about hashtags, but tags might be very powerful as they once were, but they still play a role in helping YouTube videos stand out. Yeah, before the tags were very powerful, but these days they're not very powerful, but you need them at least to make your video stand out. Use specific and and at least broad tags that relate to your content. Like mine, it is always about how to make money online, how to make money on YouTube, like that. So you find these the hashtags are always there. For example, if you're in tech and review video, you could use tags like gadget review, smartphone tips, and tech trends for 2024. Or if you reach in 2025 as you watch this video, you put 2025. Then the third tip is to create a click-worthy thumbnail. You guys, I've come to learn it in this era, especially in my challenge for making 2 3 videos. I've come to give respect to click-worthy thumbnail. Your thumbnail is often the first thing people see, and it determines whether they will click your video or not. So make sure that your thumbnail is eye-catching. It includes readable text and accuracy. It should represent really should represent your content. Videos with custom thumbnails get 90% more viewers, so don't skip this step. Yes, I've seen this because recently I can see like this video. When I saw the video was not doing well, I went and changed, and when I changed it, high tapped. The fourth one, let's go together. Let's go to the fourth tip about what you do, especially immediately after you upload or after your video is premiered. You add cards and screens. If you don't know ads and screens, you can check on you check on our YouTube on our screen. This is what the card and screen is. You find it in in a process when you're trying to edit. There's somewhere you can go and edit. Like for example, you just go to your YouTube studio, you click on on a video you want to edit. The moment you click on the video you want to edit, it is going to take you somewhere. So you click here, you are going to get cards and end screens. YouTube cards and end screens are powerful tools to boost engagement. Use cards to direct viewers to related videos, playlist or external links, and even add screens to encourage viewers to subscribe or watch your content. This keeps people on your channel longer, which is greater for YouTube algorithm. You guys, this is what it is. You can check the way they are on our screens. That's how the end screens and cards look like. Then the fifth one is share on social media. These are the things you need to do. Promote your videos across your social media platforms. We promote like on Facebook, we promote on Instagram, promote on Twitter, and even you can add a short that engaging caption with your post to encourage people to click. For example, just upload a new video on how to earn $100 online. These ones I always put them on TikTok, and you just put check it out. You put the link. So social media sharing essential for driving initial traffic to your video. Then what I also discovered recently is to monitor video analytics early on. Within the first 24 hours, please let's keep on checking the video performance in YouTube Studio. And here we look at key metrics like in CTR, the click rate. The click rate through is very essential. I've come to see. Most of the good one comes from 2 and above, but if you find it is less than 2, you guys, the average watch time and audience retention will be very down also. If your CTR is low, consider changing your thumbnail or title. Monitoring these stats, the statistics, they help us to make quick adjustments and to improve our videos reach. I did it on this. You can see like this one. This video recently I saw it had the click rate was 1 point something. I said no, no, no. So what I did, I decided to change the thumbnail and I also changed the title. Now we'll see by 2 to 3 days we'll see how it will be doing. Then another tip, you engage with your audience. I always talk about it. This is one of the essential things that we need today. After uploading, comment engagement is very crucial. Reply every comment, pin an important or fun comment. One time I brought for you a video about the most one thing that every creator should do. You should pin a comment that is related, such that if someone comes early and gives a negative comment, it should not chase away the other people who are coming. And even you should ask questions, spark discussion. I want to start this interaction. It builds a royal community and signal to YouTube that your video is engaging. Simple questions like, what is your favorite tip from this video, can really go a longer way with us. You guys, I've been on this for some time, and these are the tips I've really seen that these are must to do. They must to do 7 things that every creator should do immediately as you finish uploading, as your video is being premiered, and even within 24 hours of being premiered. By implementing these 7 steps after uploading a video, you will greatly improve its performance. And I've seen ours being really improving, so I know they can also help you. And they can even give the best chance to succeed. Remember, YouTube rewards consistent and strategic creators. I always tell you about consistency, and I will not stop saying it. So go ahead and try these tips if you if you really trust me, and you try them in your next video, and then let us know what it means or how you feel it. Please don't forget to comment in this video down below and tell us if it is helpful for you, or what do you think. Even if you think it is not helpful, can you tell us in the comment section? Because for us, we always know that YouTube tips are very essential for everybody, and they can be essential if you practice them. Please, can we grow on YouTube together by making sure that we see YouTube CEOs every time, and also as we do our as we do our content creation, we make sure that we can boost also and do optimization. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye bye.